Welcome to the Rogers Rolling Racetrack Back to School Marble Race. Our Region 1 champion's already been determined, but we won't spoil it here. That's a different video. We're here to witness our Region 2 racers display their feats of speed and agility. Region 2 features 5 fantastic teams. We have the Rune Rollers, Team Lion King, the Droids from Star Wars, Soda Pop, and Artist's Palette. Starting us off in round 1, we have Coil representing Rune Rollers, Simba from the Lion King, R2D2 representing the Droids, Root Beer from Soda Pop, and Cobalt Blue representing Artist's Palette. David starts us off, and they're closely grouped down the pencil path. Root Beer takes an early lead. Around the curve, it looks like it's Coil pulling ahead with Simba and R2D2 challenging the lead. Can they catch Coil? Simba and R2D2, they just don't have what it takes. Coil wins round 1. Congratulations, Coil. For Region 2, Round 2, we have Mystery from the Rune Rollers, Nala from the Lion King, Chopper with Droids, Coke from Soda Pop, and Burnt Umber with Artist's Palette. The racers make a quick start, with Nala pulling ahead through the pushpin perils, but she bounces back. It's Mystery taking the lead and pulling ahead. Bouncing down a racer alley, it's Mystery, followed by Chopper. Oh, Mystery reaches the finish line first, but Chopper muscles his way ahead. No fair, Chopper. Mystery makes it 2 for 2 for the Rune Rollers. Region 2, Round 3 sees Mastery representing Rune Rollers, Timon from the Lion King, R4 representing the Droids, Pepsi with Soda Pop, and Titanium White from Artist's Palette. Out of the gate, we've got Pepsi taking a quick lead around the first curve. He avoids the pushpin perils, but it looks like he falls behind Droid R4. Pepsi's back in the lead, but not for long. We've got R4 rolling ahead, followed quickly by Titanium White and Timon, but they don't have the speed. R4 maintains a narrow lead to win the race. Congratulations, R4. That's the first win for the Droids and the first loss for the Rune Rollers. Next up for round 4, we have Heart representing Rune Rollers, Pumbaa from the Lion King, BB-8 from the Droid, Dr. Pepper from Soda Pop, and Dandelion from Artist's Palette. To start, the racers are closely grouped around the pencil path. Dr. Pepper takes an early lead, but Pumbaa is right on his tail. Out of nowhere, Heart races ahead, pulling down a racer alley, and Heart's lead grows down the stretch. Dr. Pepper and Pumbaa just can't catch up. In the end, it's Heart from Rune Racers for the win. What a great showing that team has had for this race. Region 2, Round 5 sees Viper from Rune Rollers, Sarabi from the Lion King, K2SO from the Droids, New Coke representing Soda Pop, and Phthalo Blue with Artist's Palette. Again, a quick start down the pencil path, but watch out for those pushpin perils. New Coke and K2SO neck and neck down the Plinko plunge. K2SO gets a good bounce, pulls ahead. New Coke just can't catch up, so K2SO wins round 5. And those other racers just coming in after getting caught up a little bit there. Congratulations to K2SO from the Droids. It's an exciting race. Next up, for Region 2 Round 6, we have Eclipse from Rune Rollers, Scar from the Lion King, Gonk Droid from the Droids, Diet Dr. Pepper with Soda Pop, and Viridian Green from Artist's Palette. Racers are closely packed around the first turn. Scar takes an early lead. Entering the Plinko plunge, it's Scar, followed closely by Viridian Green. Gonk and Diet Dr. Pepper closing in. Viridian Green now takes the lead. Will Scar catch her? No, it's Viridian Green for the win. It's a first win for Artist's Palette. Congratulations, Viridian Green. That was our last regular round of races, and we're now moving on to the semifinals. Semifinal round 1 will see Coil and Mystery from the Rune Rollers facing off against R4 representing the Droids. Coil, Mystery, and R4 quick out of the first turn. They race around and through the pushpin perils. Mystery pulls ahead down the Plinko plunge with Coil and R4 taking some bad bounces. Mystery maintains the lead and is our first semifinalist. Congratulations, Mystery. That was a close race. This round 2 semifinal race will determine who will face off against our round 1 champion, Mystery. Round 2 features Mystery's teammate, Heart, and also K2SO from the Droids and Viridian Green representing Artist's Palette. Heart, K2SO, and Viridian Green fly around that first curve. Out of the next turn, it's Viridian Green in the lead, followed closely by Heart. Oh, a bad bounce by Viridian Green, and she's neck and neck with Heart. Heart pulls ahead and races to the finish. Congratulations, Heart, from the Rune Rollers. It's an all Rune Rollers finale here for the back to school marble race. We have Mystery versus Heart. Who will win from the Rune Rollers? Teammates Mystery and Heart race down the pencil path around the curve. Mystery pulls ahead down the Plinko plunge. Oh, now it's Heart. Heart in the lead, racing down Eraser Alley and around that last curve. Heart is our winner. Congratulations, Heart. What a race between these two teammates from Rune Rollers. Congratulations to Heart from the Rune Rollers for a fantastic race. What a good sport. Now we have our finalists for Region 1. It's Larkspur from the Herbologists. Region 2 will be represented by Heart from Rune Rollers, and we're still yet to determine who our Region 3 winner will be. We have the following teams competing: Trolls, Brozone, Bad Guys 2, Candy Stripers, Jurassic World, and Slimy Yet Satisfying. Who will win? Tune in again.